What's up everybody, welcome to Joe's How To. I'm Joe Kennedy and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new window. Here's some of the tools and supplies you'll need: a hammer, some roofing nails, some window flashing, tape measure, caulking gun, a razor knife, sealant. I'm using some super glue and composite shims here, and some spray foam insulation. The first thing you want to do is cut away your house wrap from your rough opening. I'm cutting flush to the opening in this case, in order to do a little bit of extra flashing around the sides and the top, which you'll see later. Here I'm showing that you need to cut a 45 degree on each of the top corners of the rough opening. Check to make sure that your rough opening is square, plumb, and level. Now start by making a sill pan. You want to take a piece of your peel and stick window flashing and stick it flush with the bottom edge of your rough opening. Extend beyond the rough opening about 4 to 6 inches on each side. Whenever you're working with window flashing, you want to work from the bottom up. So next you'll take another piece, the same length, and install that about 3.5 inches above the last piece. Now you're doing this so that you can wrap this onto the sill. So you want to make a vertical cut on each side, flush with the rails, and wrap that piece down onto the sill. Make sure you press this peel and stick window flashing really well. I'm using my carpenter square here. You can also use a J roller for this. You just want to make sure that this is pressed on really well. Now I'm going to do the corners. You want to cut a piece that's going to extend about 4 to 6 inches up on each corner. Press that into the corner so it's nice and tight. Then you want to make a small cut about 1/4 of an inch out from the edge so that you can wrap and stretch that corner down out over the edge of the sill and onto the wall itself. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Cut a small piece. It's going to extend about 4 to 6 inches up the side of the window. Press that into the corner really well. Make a cut not right at the edge, but about 1/4 of an inch or so out from the edge, so that you can stretch that corner just out, just onto the side of your house wrap, wherever you're flashing. Here's a little bit of a closer look at that. You can see how those corners are stretched out. And a nice waterproof seal there. Now a lot of people will stop at this point and go ahead and prepare their window to install. I'm going to do a little bit of extra waterproofing here. I'm also going to flash the sides and the top of the rough opening. So I'm going to put this about 3.5 inches in and wrap this side piece in just like I did on the sill. can see both sides are done here. I've extended the top beneath the flap that we cut earlier in our house wrap. And I'm I'm going to do the top corners just like I did the bottom corners. A 4 to 6 inch piece on each side. Make a small cut 1/4 inch out from the edge. Wrap and stretch that piece over. Now install your header just like you did your sill, just like you did your sides, about 3.5 inches down from the edge so that you can make a vertical cut. Wrap that onto your header. Now I'm going to place 2 composite shims. You always want to leave a little bit of space between your window and the sill itself. That way you can have some room to properly insulate this window with your spray foam later. Apply a bead of sealant along the edge of your nailing flange. I like to go in a U pattern, and then I put a little bit on the bottom, but I leave a space on each side so that any water that does get in has a place where it can run out and onto our sill pan. Now you're ready to install your window. Go ahead and press your window in place. Make sure it's centered, make sure everything's aligned correctly. And tack it in with one of your roofing nails. I recommend you go on the inside and just double check that everything's centered and everything looks good. Then you can go ahead and nail along your roofing flange every 4 to 6 inches with your roofing nails. Now you want to apply flashing along the sides. Go up to the edge of your window frame, go over your nailing flange. You don't put anything on the bottom. You start on the sides, work your way up to each side, and you'll do your header piece. Put your header piece so that it's underneath the flap that you cut earlier. Bring your flap down, and then all that's left is to tape the seams with some house wrap tape. There you have it. The new window is installed and ready. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.